Hello, and welcome back. It's Taylor Everett, Senior Advisor from How to Get Business Loans in 2days.biz. I'm sitting here with my son. My kids had the flu today, so I had to stay home today. I'm here in one of our houses here in Georgia. Shout out to Georgia. I'm going to teach you how to make over $500 a day from home trading Forex from your phone. That's right. How to get business loans in 2days.biz. If you need business capital to expand and grow your office, your business, we can make everything happen for you. 706-761-7928 or email me at the office of Everett at gmail.com. How to get business loans in 2days.biz. We also trade Forex, and we also just started a music development program for artists. We're looking for artists to send through the majors and the indie access we have here at How to Get Business Loans in 2days.biz. I'm also sitting here with the senior A&R advisor. Woo! My senior A&R advisor is working hard, looking for artists for us to hire. We can't wait to work with you and give you the keys to expand. We guarantee to grow your brand. So no matter if you need a business loan for your business or if you're an artist looking to expand your brand, we can make it done. We can get it done here at How to Get Business Loans in 2days.biz. Hey, I'm going to show you how to make over $500 from home trading Forex. I'm going to give you guys the keys. I want you to also become one of my students. So subscribe and like, follow, and ask me in an email, chat, or text how to become one of my private students. I'll teach you exactly how to use the screens, how to trade, how to do proper technical analysis, how to make some money from home. Hey, it's been a pleasure. You guys stay tuned. How to get business loans in 2days.biz. Hey, everybody, and we're back. Taylor Everett, Senior Advisor from How to Get Business Loans in 2days.biz. I'm sitting here today with my senior A&R advisor from our music division that we actually just established.
Nice to meet the world.
So we're sitting here, man, in one of my family's locations. I had to take the day off. My sons, as you can tell, have the flu. So I'm here doing our thing. And just make sure you guys subscribe, like, follow, hit the bell at the bottom, subscribe at the bottom, follow. We come out with brand new hot material all the time. Very, very, very cram-packed with value. Make sure to go to SoundCloud as well. And be sure to like us on SoundCloud as well. Go to our profile, Taylor Everett on SoundCloud. And go to Pseudo Fitness on SoundCloud. Pseudo Fitness and Taylor Everett. Follow us on SoundCloud. Follow us here. Okay. Also, besides, I primarily offer businesses capital to grow and expand their business, right? I'm a business loan broker. I specialize in providing capital for whatever expansion you need for your business. Call us 706-761-7928. We can take care of whatever type of capital you need. Also, we trade Forex. Today, we took out some trades that you can see here on the fly. When I woke up around 8 o'clock, I checked the news. I saw the flow of these particular currencies on the platform we use to get our technical analysis, or our TA, and I just decided to write down some currencies I wanted to use and trade today, and what I thought what direction they would go. I thought AUD versus Chef would be a buy, CAD versus JPY buy, AUD versus USD buy, USD versus Chef buy, Euro versus GBP sell. That's what we did today. Okay, so I'm going to quickly show you how we trade from home. We use MetaTrader 4, as you can see here. Now, I show you, and I show all of my students, complete transparency. You see I'm down. I lost some money yesterday. I had a red day yesterday. But luckily, I'm coming out of it slowly but surely. And today we got ourselves a win. We got ourselves a big win this morning for, how much was the win for on your calculator?
Mr. Davis, this morning, world of Mr. Everett was $523.17.
There you are. There you see it. $217.31, $20.99, $3.09, $150.53, $2, $40.07, $39.18, brings us to a grand total of over $500 in profit today. And this is how we did it. All right. So what we can do is we can actually open up the quotes right here, and we're just gonna look at odd. Well, we're gonna look at odd versus chef here, and we're gonna look at the charts, and we can do this right on our phone, right? MetaTrader 4, download it right to my phone. As you can see, there's no hidden agenda. There's no secrets. This is how we trade. Now, I usually can trade from my computer as well. You see the Acer over there, but right now my head of A&R is looking for artists for us to hire for our newest development program, because we're looking for artists to scale through the indies and through the majors. We have the access. We're looking for them. But besides that, we trade Forex. We keep the money coming in, and we keep ourselves in circulation. And as you can see here, buy, sell, as activated, $10 per pip there. And I took a series of trades out. I woke up and I looked at the news. I tell you how, I'm going to give you complete transparency. I looked at the news. How I do it is investing.com. On my phone, I have an app, as you can see right here. If you go and get the app, it's going to be a lot easier to navigate. And as you can see, investing.com has done a beautiful job of making it very user-friendly to navigate. I come and check out the calendar, and I looked over the news. In a later episode, I'll teach you how to read news and how to place your trades according to how the news is going to is predicting. But as you can see, I followed the news, and I saw the news, and I went over from there, and I went to my MetaTrader 4, and I started placing trades. Right? And that's how I did it. I looked at the technical analysis that I got from investing.com. Also, I'll give you Inside Trading View is another platform we use to monitor the trades, to look at the direction of how we think trades is going to be. And as you can see, Odd and Chef is already up. So I usually have, depending on how I trade, I also trade binary options. It's really, really quick. It's 30-second to a minute trades. So depending on how I want to do things, I know what time frame I want my screen to be on. Again, in a later episode, and to my students, I'll give you guys a more crash course on how to read screens properly, how to set your screen up, the indicators and all, so that you know and how to get good technical analysis to make these trades, okay? So there you have it. How to make over $500 a day. Also, I'm going to give you another behind the scenes tip platform on where we get information from. We go to finviz.com. And as you can see, I'm over here by a military base, so I'm having a little bit of an issue when it comes to signal and things like that, but bear with me. As you can see here, usually I don't have too much of an issue with the screen collapsing, but I look at the direction of currencies through FinViz's Forex charts, and I'm looking at all the numbers as we speak, and I basically can see the percentages of it going up and down. And then also here, I can see on this particular graph the direction of the currencies individually. And that helps me put together my technical analysis to get the direction of the trades where I think they're going to be going. And then we quite simply come over to our MetaTrader 4 and we place those trades. If we're going short, we watch for it to short, to go down for going long. We look for it to rise. But that's how we do it in a nutshell. Okay. Now, if you stick with me, if you follow and subscribe, I will teach you how to trade from home and make over $500 comfortably from home without going anywhere. You can do it from your phone, your laptop, your iPad, whatever's hooked up to the Wi-Fi, the internet, and you can get on your broker. You can use your MetaTrader 4 with. You can make this money. You saw it. Let me show you again, just so the proof is in the pudding, and you don't think I'm think I'm lying. As you can see, that is that's what's in this particular account. What's in this particular account right now is 44,000. I'm going to the history and scroll down. I hate to show reds. Every real trader hates to show the red days, but I show transparency to all my students and all my clients, because they're, believe it or not, we take on trades and we send signals to a select group of personalized private traders, and you can join this group. Just email me how to join the private group that we are establishing and growing on a weekly basis of dedicated traders that like to trade on a daily basis. We get together and we go over thoughts, we go over technical analysis, we go over news, we go over all sorts of stuff there, right? And you'll know how to be more efficient, how to place these trades. Look at this, it's all blue. I woke up around 8 and I placed these trades. I placed all these trades, over $500. So you guys stay tuned. Again, Taylor Everett here, senior advisor from How to Get Business Loans to 2days.biz. I want to be giving more videos on trading from home. Please email me how to join my class, how to become a student, where I will teach you more in depth how to trade, technical analysis, what platforms to use, where to get news from, what times, all the stuff you need to be a successful trader. Or I'll teach you the mechanism of becoming a successful trader, and then from there it's just your personal development and practice and implementing these fruits of knowledge that I'm going to be giving you to become a successful trader. Over $500 today, won off the fly. I'm still down. I'm still negative, but as you can see, I'm still a little negative. But that's how we do it. Did red yesterday, green today. You guys stay tuned. How to Get Business Loans in 2days.biz.